Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in to a Netflix account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you have to do is you have to get your Netflix app. You can also do it from your web browser. Type in netflix.com, access the official website. Otherwise, you can get the app and open the Netflix app, and then simply go ahead, tap on this sign in option on top right corner. Then you have to add in your email address. Once you add in your email address, you can either choose to add your mobile number as well if you don't remember. Tap on continue further. Once you do that, then you will have to enter your password of your account. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have a little mistake either in your email number or password, you will not get the access to Netflix. Once you have the password, tap on sign in, and there you go. You will be able to log in or sign in on Netflix account like that, and that's it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.